James, we've already finished our front garden now, which is beautiful thanks to Quentin's design and, you know, your amazing plants from Brite Services. And now, dun dun dun, onto my scary backyard. Will you be able to sort of point me in the right direction in terms of what's going to be great for my space outside?
Yeah, absolutely. We've brought a few selection of plants with us today, of plants that we do grow down at Brite Services.
Yep. So, James, take me through some of these gorgeous, gorgeous plants we've got here.
So obviously we've got a selection of some plants that we grow at Brite Services.
Yes.
We've got a Coria decumbens here. Grows really well in small compact areas.
Yep.
Ground cover to a small shrub.
Yes.
And looks fantastic with its foliage
Flower?
and also its reddish green flowers.
Like bell-shaped flowers?
Bell-shaped flowers, yeah, so it looks
Gorgeous.
fantastic. Our Festuca glauca, which is a blue fescue, bluish grey plant that will contrast well with your purples and your reds. It's a small grass and it will probably stay around that size, so it looks fantastic. We've got Limonium perezii, also known as your sea lavender. In spring and summer, it's got these fantastic purple sort of felt-like flowers that look fantastic.
Beautiful.
Small ground cover and look fantastic for a structured garden. Very hardy, yeah. We've also got Nandina domesticanana, or your dwarf Japanese bamboo.
And it does look bamboo-y, doesn't it? Really?
It does, in a way, yeah, it does. And it's got these really nice colours. So you've got hues of yellow,
there's bits of orange,
orangey, red, and also green. So it's a fantastic plant to have. Dioides grandiflora, also known as your butterfly iris.
Yep.
Fantastic for structuring your garden, but also to attract butterflies for the lovely flowers. So,
how often do they flower?
Usually once a year, once established. They're very low maintenance. Possibly a low hedge. You'd be looking for unanimous Tom Thumb.
Gorgeous, very thick and green and lush looking,
fantastic.
isn't it?
And faster growing than your dwarf English boxes and what have you. So.
Yes.
Our Pittosporum James Sterling, great for a privacy screen. Thick and tall.
Like a bit of a neighbour's big
You're looking at about 5 metres in height, and forms a really good sort of hedge. Dianella brevicalis shoreline. Nice compact Dianella and has fantastic purple flowers.
Gorgeous.
It maintains its form very well.
And does it come in different colours?
In terms of the flowers, or the flowers are usually a purple with with hues of yellow in the middle. So. This is a variety called Penstemon pensium thar. It's a fantastic perennial. Also attracts a lot of beneficial insects to your gardens, in particular butterflies. And has these fantastic purple and white flowers, so it's a great plant to have in the garden. Now we've got a variety to create a little bit of those fiery colours, the pinkish reds and whites. So Salvia hot lips. It's a fantastic salvia. Complements purple coloured flowers well. And really good for a bit of vibrant colour in the garden, so it's fantastic. We've got another compact variety of Corias here, but this one's a Coria glabra. It's a compact form of the Coria glabra and it looks fantastic with the different coloured foliage. So you've got dark green complementing with lime green really well. And this is also good for a nice compact shrub. So. And finally here we've got the gold fuchsia.
Oh, I love this.
Strobilanthus, great coloured plant, great shrub. Also can use to form a small hedge. And has hues of purple, green, yellow.
And can any of these stay in pots?
They can. It's just a matter of time in terms of how long you can keep them in the pots. When you start seeing roots popping through the bottom of the plant,
it's time.
then you need to put it into a bigger pot or into your garden. So.
Great. And what about over here?
Yeah, we've also brought a selection of trees that you may want to consider for the garden.
So this is probably one of my favourite trees in the entire world.
The Japanese maple?
Yeah, stunning.
Great tree for autumn especially. Late autumn, they look fantastic. So here we've got a thornless lemon, which is fantastic, obviously, so you don't get hurt. Okay, this is our flowering plum.
It's amazing. Look at the colour.
So it's got fantastic foliage with your really deep purple, maroonish type. And it's got some really nice pink flowers in winter as well. So it gives a bit of winter colour as well.
And how about this one?
Yeah, this is an ornamental pear. It's great for small spaces. It's your Pyrus capital, and it's just a really good tree for even like your nature strips and that kind of thing, but also for really tight spots. And tell me about this one, James. Yeah, this is your Betchel's crabapple. So it's your Melisinensis plena. It looks fantastic.
Beautiful blossoms.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's almost like a flowering apple in a way. Looks fantastic in spring especially. does drop its leaves, so that's something to consider. So we've also got an olive tree over here.
Yeah.
Great for any garden. And you get some really nice colours off the leaves, the greenish grey leaves.
Lovely and light underneath.
And also fantastic for a tree that can get established fairly quickly and requires very little water once established. So
gorgeous. James, I'm so thrilled that you've shown me your range of plants. And not only that, I have to say, you know, I get around to nurseries and the plants are in immaculate condition. Like your plants are just so well taken care of. You can really tell that they're loved.
They look good, don't they?
So thank you so much for showing me some of your most popular plants.
Not a problem at all.
And I'm excited to show you the next project.
Yeah, we're excited to be here. So
thanks,
Nerida.
James.
Cheers.